All right, hi. So we're gonna work on the puzzle page today, and if you don't have the puzzle page in your work packet, then you can refer to the other video. You probably have the game page. So for the puzzle page, we are going to go words across, and then we're gonna go words up and down. So let's first do our words across. So we're first gonna start with number 5, foundation. 5, foundation. So I see the number 5 here, and we're gonna type in foundation. Foundation is Foundation. Foundation. So if you need me to slow down, just pause the video because I might be going a little quicker. Foundation is one of our vocabulary words this week. It is a group of people that starts a foundation. A group of people get together to find ways to help other people. Number 6 is tournament. Tournament. So we're going to find 6. I see 6 over here, and we're going to go across for tournament. 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 So a tournament is when teams or people play against each other, and there's lots of them that keep playing against each other until there is an eventual grand prize winner. You can win a trophy. Number 8, we go across. I see 8 here, and the word is help. We're going to do HELP. Help. And help is to give someone aid, to support someone if they need something. Like I'm going to help you. I'm going to help pick you up if you fall down. I'm going to help you by going to the store and getting something you need. Number 9, play. Play. So I see 9 over here, and we're going to put play. PLAY. So play means you can play different things. This person is playing golf, a sport. Play is when it's an activity that we do. You can play lots of things. Some people play with blocks. They play baseball, basketball, different sports. They play with items, toys. Well, that is play. So we finished our words: foundation, tournament, help, and play going across. Now we're going to go down. So we have number 1, which is golf. I see the number 1 over here, and we're going to go down. We're going to put golf. So I have GOLF, golf. And so golf is one of our vocabulary words. It is the outdoor sport that people play using a club to hit small balls into holes. Number 2, best. Best. So I see 2 over here. So we're going to write BEST, best. Best is a vocabulary word. It means we try our most excellent effort. Number 3, this one's a big one, scholarship. So I see 3 here. We're going to go scroll down and put in scholarship. SCHO is already written. We have LARSHIP, scholarship. So a scholarship is what people get. So if they have to pay for school, for instance, either high school or college, a scholarship will pay for that so that it won't cost the person as much money to go. Number 4 going down is video. So I see 4 here, and we're going to put in video. VIDEO. So a video is when you see something, it's a moving picture. We've all watched videos, and we could see things in action on the screen. A picture is a still frame, but this one's in action. And our last word, 7, is try. So here we've got TRY, and try is another vocabulary word this week, and it means to give an attempt to do something. Where even if we don't want to or we think it's really hard, we still try, we still make an attempt.